Today we will prepare for Indus drainage system. Let's start with the map first. Indus River originates from Bakachu Glacier near Mansarovar Lake. River Satluj originates from Brakas Lake, that is also near Mansarovar Lake. River Jhelum originates from Verinac Spring. River Chenab originates from Baralachala Pass. Ravi River originates from Rohtang Pass. And River Beas originates from Beas Kund, that is also near Rohtang Pass. These are all origins of different rivers in Indus drainage system. Now let's look at the flow of these rivers. Jhelum River and Ravi River both flows into Chenab River, and Chenab River merges into Satluj River, and Satluj is the river that merges directly into Indus River system. The Satluj River is also a trans-Himalayan river that cuts across all the Himalayan ranges before it meets Indus. Beas River also merges into Satluj River and is the only river that starts and ends in India itself. All other rivers flows to Pakistan. Now let's see a mnemonic to remember all these rivers from north to south direction. First three rivers are Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. This could be remembered by CJI, Chief Justice of India, but in an opposite direction. Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Next three rivers are Reserve Bank of Scotland, RBS, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. So all the rivers from north to south are Indus, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Now let's see what are the other details that are given about these rivers in the NCERT. Indus in Tibet is called Singhi Khambam or Lion's Mouth. Indus enters into Pakistan near Chilas in Dardistan region. Tributaries of Indus include Shyok, Gilgit, Zaskar, Hunza, Nubra, Shigar, Gasting, Dras, Khurram, Tochi, Gomal, Viboa and Sangar. These are all the tributaries that is given in the NCERT, so I have pointed it out. The Panjnad is name given to 5 rivers, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum, that joins into Indus River. Chenab flows through Srinagar and Vullar Lake before entering into Pakistan. Chenab is the largest tributary of river Indus. It is found by two streams, Chandra and Bhaga River, which joins near Tandi, near Keelong in Himachal Pradesh. Hence it is also called Chandra Bhaga River. Ravi River passes through Chamba Valley before entering into Pakistan and joins Chenab near Sarai Sindhu. Beas flows through Kullu Valley and forms gorges at Kati and Largi in Dhauladar ranges and meets Satluj near Harike. Satluj is known as Langchen Khambab in Tibet. It passes through Shipkila Pass in Himalayas. It is an antecedent river and feeds Bhakra Nangal canal system. Now let's look at the MCQs that are asked from Indus drainage system in all the PSC exams. This question was asked in UPSC 2021. Of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one and one river joins Indus direct. So which one river joins Indus direct? So we have seen all the rivers join Satluj and Satluj joins Indus direct. So answer is option D, Satluj. Now this question was asked in 2010. River that passes through Himachal Pradesh are. This is a tricky question but also an easy one. Questions like these require you to think calmly during prelims exam. Chenab and Yamuna are given in the options and this will confuse you. Do they flow from Himachal Pradesh? Yamuna starts from Bandarpuj Glacier in Uttarakhand. So how could it flow from Himachal Pradesh? But it actually does. It flows from Himachal Pradesh for just 20 kilometers and there's no way anybody could have known about this during the exam. Also you can see from the map Chenab River also enters into Himachal Pradesh, although for a very narrow distance. These rivers are given in the options just to confuse you and test your patience. So this was the tricky part. Why did I say this was an tricky but an easy question? We will solve this question without having the knowledge of either Chenab or Yamuna. Let's look at the map. We can see that Ravi, Beas and Satluj absolutely flows from Himachal Pradesh. There is no doubt about it. You need to be very confident about this fact. Let's look at the first option. River passing through Himachal Pradesh are Beas and Chenab only. But I know Ravi, Beas and Satluj absolutely flows from Himachal Pradesh. So this option is incorrect. Now let's look at the second option. Beas and Ravi only. But I know Ravi, Beas and Satluj absolutely flows from Himachal Pradesh. So this statement is also incorrect. Let's look at the third option. Chenab, Ravi and Satluj only. Again, I know Ravi, Beas and Satluj absolutely flows from Himachal Pradesh. So this option is also incorrect. Now 3 options have already been eliminated. Fourth option has Ravi, Beas and Satluj. I don't know about Chenab, I don't know about Yamuna. Three options are eliminated, and fourth option has Ravi, Byas, and Satluj. So answer is option number D. Let's look at the next question. Both these questions are asked in UPPSC 2012 and 2020. Which of the following river of India cuts across all the ranges of Himalaya? So answer is B, Satluj. Which one of the following rivers is Trans-Himalayan river? So again, answer is B, Satluj. Next question. In India, Indus dolphin, one of the world's rarest mammal, is found in which one of the following rivers? So in the question itself, you have given Indus dolphin. So it will be found either in Indus River or one of the tributaries of Indus River. So among the options, Beas is the only tributary of Indus River drainage system. So answer will be option number D. This question was asked in CAPF 2018. Now let's look at the question of UPSC CAPF 2017. Which one of the following river is not covered under Indus Water Treaty 1960? So Indus Water Treaty, Ravi, Chenab and Beas, these all are rivers, tributaries of river Indus. Option number C, Teesta is nowhere connected to Indus. So answer will be option number C, Teesta. So that's it for today. Next we will look at Brahmaputra drainage system.